iData. Recover deleted text messages from iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Alice. Today I will explain to you how to recover lost text messages from iPhone 1,514,131,211X and other series of mobile phones, no matter what the reason is. Losing important text messages on your iPhone 1,514,131,211X can be stressful, but there are ways to recover them using iCloud or iTunes Backup, or a third-party tool like iData iPhone Data Recovery. Now I will mainly explain the third method to you, because the other two methods will be troublesome and difficult for ordinary users. Just 3 steps to recover deleted text messages from iPhone devices. Step 1. Install program and choose recovery mode. Step 2. Scan, preview, and select data. Step 3. Choose file and recover data. Next, I will give you a more intuitive explanation of our software operation steps. Download and install iData iPhone Data Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Launch the iData iPhone Data Recovery software and select Recover from iOS device. Click on Start Scan to scan your iPhone for deleted text messages. After the scan is complete, select the text messages you want to recover and click on Recover. This is how to recover lost iPhone text messages. Is simple and easy to operate. Isn't it amazing? Act now, you can too. Download our free trial now. Thank you. See you next time.